I got a big fat ass. Come on.
Say I'm obsessed with thick women and I agree. Yeah, that's right. I like my girls BBW.
Came straight to the UK, all the British dudes lame.
Epic fail.
I wanna dance and sing.
Politics.
Not my thing. But then I met the king, and soon my daddy said, you should try and get ahead. He wanted me, obviously, messaging me like every day. Couldn't be better than he sent me a letter, and who am I kidding, I was prêt à manger. Sent a reply, just saying hi. You're a nice guy, I'll think about it maybe, XO baby.
Why your shoes raggedy? That's why your mama dead. Dead as hell. What shoes she got on? What shoes she got on her casket?
Tommy, sing some WAP for us. Kumbaya.
There's like,
This guy wants to kiss you, Gil. There you go. I blew one at you. I know, that was really gay.
George, stop. Stop it. What are you doing? I was using a spoon. I mean a shovel.
Oh, shorty got them apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur,
Words can't explain how I feel in this time, in this very moment.
Really? How do you feel, Skippy?
I just said words can't explain it, dumbass.
Skippy?